How to fix to continue, enter an admin username and password in Windows 10 or Windows 11, or if the yes button is missing. So this is just a very quick fix. All you have to do is to open up your Windows icon and then access your run. And from here, just simply type in NATPLWIZ, which is this one right here. Now hit on OK. Then your user account window will pop up. Now choose on the very main user of the PC and go to Properties. Now switch it into Group Membership and make sure that Administrator is picked right here. Hit on Apply, OK, then hit on OK again. And from here, if they're asking you if you don't want to sign out, you can choose yes or no. Now after those, just simply restart your PC and then you're done. And that's how you fix to continue, enter an admin username and password in Windows 10 or 11, or if the yes button is missing.